Most people look at a worn-out, vintage wooden crate or a pair of rusted industrial gears and see historical debris destined for the dumpster. A senior designer recognizes an architectural artifact waiting to disrupt a sterile modern space. Today, we are performing material alchemy on our home interiors. We are proving that true creativity and environmental sustainability go hand in hand, moving entirely past the disposable consumer trends that leave spaces feeling shallow and uninspired. We are revealing the strict structural logic behind repurposing old items into unbelievable house decorations, converting forgotten historical fragments into an interconnected, geometric skeleton of bespoke luxury. If you're ready to learn how to salvage raw character and build a grounded sanctuary that honors the planet, your home. I'm Beki, and this is the Reclaimed Space Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. Today is Thursday, July 2nd, 2026, and we are completely shifting how we curate authenticity within our homes. In 2026, high-end styling isn't about ordering mass-produced, identical accent pieces online. It is the atmospheric curation of history, weathered patina, and eco-conscious ingenuity. By giving old, discarded items a second life, we inject an unbelievable, museum-grade narrative into our living spaces. Let's step into the alchemy. The Reclaimed Artifact Masterclass 1. The Eco-Luxury Philosophy. In the world of Beki Decor, true luxury is never bought from a catalogue. It is mined from history. This is precisely why creativity and sustainability go hand in hand. When we practice material alchemy, we look past the dust of old, discarded objects to see their raw, sculptural potential. Repurposing old items into unbelievable house decorations allows us to reduce our environmental footprint while injecting an irreplaceable, weathered character into our living spaces that brand new items simply cannot replicate. Two. Structural logic. Engineering the salvaged focal point. To make salvaged items look intentional rather than chaotic, you must apply strict layout discipline. We execute this structural logic by taking heavily textured, industrial, or organic components, like architectural iron brackets, old factory spools, or weathered barn beams, and setting them against a minimalist backdrop. Take a rusted, oversized industrial gear, clean it to preserve its deep orange-brown patina, and seal it with a matte clear coat. Mount it securely as a singular, commanding wall sculpture above a sleek, modern credenza. This striking juxtaposition between the rough, historic metal and clean, contemporary furniture lines creates immediate visual tension, instantly transforming a piece of scrap into an unbelievable, gallery-grade focal point. Three. Tactile transformation of common household items. You don't have to search far to find materials packed with design history. Look closer at everyday household items you usually throw away or hide in closets. An old, forgotten wooden ladder or a collection of vintage glass bottles can easily be re-engineered into functional interior statements. Clean a weathered ladder, preserve its splattered paint marks and scuffs, and mount it horizontally against a bare kitchen or dining wall. This structural installation acts as a custom display plane for hanging copper pots or dried botanical bundles. For smaller accents, gather thick green or amber glass bottles. Strip the labels, and group them in a tight geometric row inside an iron tray on your dining table. The heavy glass filters incoming natural light, casting rich, colorful reflections that make the entire room feel thoughtfully curated. Four. The Twilight Reveal. Shadow architecture. The final designer touch that elevates your sustainable creations is our evening lighting strategy. At night, we use the principles of shadow architecture to dramatize the deep, historical textures of our repurposed artifacts. Position a low-profile, directional spotlight beneath your salvage sculptures. As the warm light grazes upward across the pitted iron, chipped original paint, or deeply grooved wood grain, it projects dramatic, shifting shadows onto the wall. This simple layout trick creates incredible scale and atmospheric mystery, proving that when creativity and sustainability unite, your upcycled triumphs effortlessly stand out as absolute design masterpieces. Thank you for sharing this design masterclass with me today for our midweek reveal. My deepest prayer for you today is that you stop letting fast decor consumer trends dictate the soul of your environment, and that you start looking at old, forgotten things with the distinct eyes of a visionary. Rescue an artifact from obscurity. Fully embrace the profound balance of sustainable design, and start building a home that tells a beautiful, deeply personal, and eco-conscious story. If you've repurposed an old item into an unbelievable house decoration this week, or if you found hidden magic sitting in a local thrift shop, tell me your story in the comments below. I want to see your unique sanctuaries bloom. Hit that subscribe button right now to join our global community of mindful creators. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a